Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about gift cards, like Visa gift cards and MasterCard gift cards, even Amex gift cards. And more specifically, what we're going to show is how to turn gift cards into cash. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, I want to let you know this tutorial works for Visa gift cards, MasterCard gift cards, Amex gift cards. It does not work for gift cards like Home Depot or Target specific only cards that you can use at a specific store like Bed Bath & Beyond. It has to have the MasterCard Visa logo. And there's a couple of things you're going to need. First off, you're going to need a PayPal account. You're also going to need 2 email addresses. One of the email addresses can be associated with your PayPal, which is probably the email address you already have. And second off, you need an email address that is not associated with your PayPal account. So if you want to go ahead and make a different email account, you're welcome to do that, just as long as it's not associated with your current PayPal account. And lastly, one thing I want to note is this only works on the PayPal website or the PayPal mobile website. I couldn't figure out how to do this on the PayPal app, so do not attempt this on the PayPal app. There's not the proper invoicing function there, at least that I could find. So let's go ahead and get this started. Guys, this is going to be a really quick tutorial, really not a lot of steps involved. And I'm doing this tutorial because I've been getting a lot of requests for this. So basically what it is you get a gift card from a family member and you want to buy something with it in cash. You can't really do that because you can't use these cards at an ATM. So how do you get green cash from your prepaid gift cards? So first off, I went here to this website. This is the PayPal mobile website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and log in. I'm going to click login up here on the top right. All right, once you're here, then you'll want to go ahead and enter your username and password and then log into your PayPal account. I'm going to go ahead and log in now. All right, guys, here's the home screen. And here on the home screen, you're going to see other PayPal users that you've interacted here. But what you want to do is go ahead and click on the menu button right here on the top left. It has these 3 lines and a drop down menu is going to happen. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, this pops up and you want to look for this button right here called Send and Request. It's a few lines down from the top. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you click there, this screen pops up and you're going to have a couple of different options here on the top. Send, Request, Contacts, More. Don't worry about all that. You want to look for this quick button right here called Send an Invoice. It has a little paper, looks like a paper icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. All right, next the screen pops up called Create an Invoice. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to create a bill that you're going to send to yourself onto the other email address. So however much is on your Vanilla MasterCard gift card or whatever gift card you have, if you have a Target MasterCard gift card, it doesn't really matter. That's what we're going to go ahead and invoice for an amount. So a quick way to fill this out, first enter your other email address here. Let me click on this line now. So you want to go ahead and enter an email address. This is the other email address that is not associated with your PayPal account. Once you've done that, click on this add item or service. I'm going to click there now. All right, so next what you want to do is go ahead and put in an item name or service. So you can go ahead and put, taxi, or you can put hot dog. It doesn't really matter because you're sending this invoice to yourself. So just put something in there. So we'll just put, we'll put hot dog. All right, next you can put a detailed description if you want. Once again, it doesn't really matter because you're sending it to yourself, so don't worry about that. Next right here is pretty important. So you want to put the price. So you want to put the price of however much you want to take off this card, or actually however much is available. So for example, this card has $20 on it, so I can go ahead and put 20, but just keep in mind that PayPal charges a fee to pay an invoice. I believe it's 3%. So if you have $20 on this card, once you pay yourself on this invoice, then you're going to get $20 minus PayPal's fee. So it might be like $19.40 or something like that. But once again, for the price, just put however much is on your gift card or however much you would like to put from your gift card. So for example, if this has $100 on it, but you only want to take 50, go ahead and just put 50 here. Next here on the quantity, you want to go ahead and just choose 1. Tax, don't worry about that. Discount, don't worry about that. Once you've completed that, go ahead and click done. I'm going to click done now. And then once you've completed that, this blue button pops up called add item. I'm not going to add that, but I just want to show you how to fill out the invoice. Once you click add item, it'll go back to the main screen. So let me go back there. All right, next, this screen will pop up and then you can put a note to yourself letting you know what it is for. You can just put something like Target gift card or Vanilla gift card. It doesn't really matter. Once you've completed that, then you're ready to send yourself that invoice. So make sure that, once again, this email address is the email address not associated with your PayPal account. And what you want to do is go ahead and click send. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to flip over to my invoice that I sent myself previously. Let me switch over to there now. All right, guys, I went ahead and flipped over to my email, and this is a copy or an example of what you're going to get from PayPal once you send out your invoice. Once you send that invoice that we just created, you want to go to your inbox and then look for this invoice. Once you're here, then you want to go ahead and click on this blue button called View and Pay Invoice. Let me go ahead and click on there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked on that, and once again, that email inbox that we just checked is going to be the email that is not associated with your PayPal. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to bring up this screen, which is a copy of the invoice, and you're going to get this handy little blue button right here called Pay Now. Go ahead and click on there. I'm going to click there now. All right, so I went ahead and clicked on there, and this is a really important step right here, guys. So first off, you're going to see the invoice amount that you sent to yourself, and PayPal is going to ask you to log in, or it might give you the same error that I have right now, saying that you're logging into the account of the seller. Don't log in when you're at this screen. What you want to do is look down a little bit further and click Pay with Debit or Credit Card. Once again, I want to repeat myself, do not log in with this PayPal information. Click this gray button down here called Pay with Debit or Credit Card. I'm going to click there now. All right, next this screen pops up, so it should say PayPal guest checkout, because again, you did not log in. And what you want to do is go ahead and enter in your gift card information here if we're going to turn it into cash. So you're going to want to put your card number, expiration date, security code, first and last name. Now this is a gift card, so it's not going to have your name on it. So go ahead and just put your name. It doesn't really matter. Same thing with billing address. Shouldn't really matter. You will need to use the zip code that you originally registered on your gift card. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to go back and watch my other video that shows you step by step how to register a zip code on your gift card. We scroll down a little bit further. All right, they're going to ask for the contact information. Don't change that email address, because that should be the email address that is not associated with your PayPal right there. They're also going to ask you to create a PayPal account. Go ahead and just click no. You don't want to create an account. Once you've entered all that information in, then you should click Pay Now. Once you click Pay Now, as long as you put in the correct dollar amount for your gift card, it should go through and then add directly into your PayPal account. You'll get a confirmation of that as well. Let me show you what the confirmation payment screen looks like for your email for the account that's not associated with your PayPal. All right, so I went ahead and flipped over to my inbox, and then here is what you should receive. It says, this is a receipt. Thanks for paying however much you had put on the invoice. It's going to give you a payment detail screen. So what will happen is that money immediately goes into your PayPal account. Once it's in your PayPal account as a balance, then you can go ahead and withdraw the money into your account like you normally would from your PayPal account. Or if you're like me and you have the PayPal Cash account, then you can go ahead and use your PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard and go to the ATM, swipe the card, put in your PIN number, and then you'll get green cash from your PayPal account from the invoice that you sent to yourself. If you don't have this PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard yet, be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave a link to my other video that explains step by step how to order one of these and associate it with your PayPal account. Because this card, you don't have to withdraw into your bank. Any money that's on your PayPal account, you can just withdraw or use off of this PayPal Cash Debit MasterCard at the ATM or at Walmart. So there you have it. That is how you can turn your gift cards into cash. That's the easiest way that I know of. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But as far as I can see, that's the easiest way to turn your gift cards into cash. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.